So today I'm delving into the topic of facial aging, which is really about two key things: the loss of volume and descent of soft tissue. Now, I keep hearing top doctors on YouTube and surgeons say that fillers don't play a role in lifting the face. To me, that's quite surprising. You see, when we lose volume, our skin sags. So logically, when we add fillers, we're actually lifting and countering that sagging effect. Let me show you something. The widest part of our face is right here, which is more anterior than you would expect. And that's because as we age, we lose volume in the outer temporal fat pad and the face sags diagonally forward this way. And when you replace volume back in the outer temporal fat pad, the face lifts up, just like that. The key is not to overdo it. Take heavy jowls for instance. Overfilling them isn't our approach. That's more in the realm of plastic surgeons, and maybe this is why they think fillers are ineffective. But in our case, we use fillers judiciously, focusing on mild to moderate sagging. It's all about using the right amount of product to achieve a natural result and rejuvenation. Let's dive into how we accomplish this with this next video.